Working on my APU again, guys. Not sure what's going on now. I'm gonna try to see what's up with the injectors. Yeah, got the one line off. This thing. I'm gonna try to take the injector out and see how it looks like. This is the first one. Ooh, gotta clean this. Shoot. Oh, this one was hard to take it off. Okay, now we got the injectors here. 1 and 2. Okay, I just disassembled the injector. Okay, got this one out. It's a little dirty, but alright, fellas, I know it doesn't look like it's the prettiest injector in the world, but I don't think that's my problem. I'm gonna take the second one out and we'll see. I'm gonna clean it good and put it back together. Okay, this one is coming back in. Well, the second top part is coming out. The bottom part is still down there. Okay. Alright. Gotcha. Got them both back in, fellas. Clean and nice. I'm gonna put the lines back together and we will see, but I don't think this was the problem. Glad I checked. That's it. It's not cranking.